Alrighty guys, today we have just picked up the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max and the iPhone 12 Mini, and also I've got an iPhone 12 Pro Max silicone case to unbox as well. I've just picked this up from the store, so let's get straight into the unboxing. We're going to start with the Mini and then we'll head on to the 12 Pro Max. So, Mini here, I'm going to compare it to an iPhone 5 speed test as well later, because that was the last phone that actually had the same shape. But, without further ado, let's open this up. Alright, take the plastic off that. Open this up. Nice unboxing. This is a product Red, which looks honestly nothing like Red at all. So it is quite interesting that these said, like, my jacket's red, and you guys can see the difference there. Like, it's not really red. But anyway. Alright, so we do have the phone here. It's very, very tiny, as you guys can see. I can reach this whole phone. It is tiny. Got the USB-C cable to Lightning as well. No power brick, and we obviously have instructions and some Apple stickers in here. Now, from what I know, that they're not red either, so just normal Apple instructions there. Just to show you guys a comparison now, I do have my iPhone 5 here, and side by side, you guys can see that they're quite similar in size in terms of overall height, but in terms of like width, it is a bit bigger, as you guys can see here on the iPhone 12 compared to the iPhone 5. It's a bit higher, not by much though, but it is tiny like the iPhone 5, which is a cool design. It's awesome to hold in your hand. So that is awesome to see those two things. Now let's get on to the iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. We've got the 128 gig graphite, and that's it. So let's get into that. Alright, let's get this one out of the box. So this one already is huge. It even feels a lot bigger compared to my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this is a good size there. Again, we've got your instructions, Apple stickers in the box, and Lightning to USB-C cable, and no power brick. So let's put that box to the side as well. We don't need that one out. Alrighty guys, so here is the iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxed. It is a huge phone compared to the iPhone 12 Mini. As you guys can see side by side here, a huge difference in screen size. One, I can barely touch the top here, and this one, it's just how small it is ridiculous. So, two different sizes, the smallest and the biggest. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is the iPhone 12 Mini, and a lot heavier as well. The iPhone 12 is, or the iPhone 12 Pro Max, should I say, to the iPhone 12 Mini. Obviously, this has aluminium, this has stainless steel, but there is a big weight difference between these two devices. I'm now quickly just going to unbox the silicone case as well and see what that consists of and see what that looks like. Just pull that sticker off, pull that case out. Okay, feels like a nice case. Got the MagSafe magnets built in. Now, I think that's just for that. It's nothing important in there. Put that to the side and let's slide the phone in here, which this feels very, very nice in the hands. This case feels awesome. I like now that they've actually redesigned the cases and it's actually fully enclosed bottom now. In terms, normally you used to cut off here and it was open, but now it's fully enclosed. And I really, really like that case. And just to test out, I've got a clear case here from a third-party manufacturer, and we're going to see what that looks like. Alright, so here's the clear case on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Very nice as well, and it's got the boxy design, which I really like similar to the iPhone, same as the iPhone 12, just in a bigger version. It's a really, really nice phone. Alright guys, just to show you the screen difference between these two phones, as you guys can see here, iPhone 12 Pro Max, how much bigger the actual screen is compared to the iPhone 12 Mini. It is tiny. And then if I compare this to the 5S, or the 5 should I say, it is a lot bigger. Obviously this has the chin and the forehead here and the home button. But in terms of just overall size, that is the sizes of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 12 Mini, and the iPhone 5. So guys, that has been a quick unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the iPhone 12 Mini. If you have enjoyed, make sure to smash the thumbs up and stick around, because I'm going to have a lot of speed tests coming out between this, the 11 Pro Max, and a special video between the iPhone 12 Mini versus the iPhone 5, which I don't think anyone has done, because this was the last phone to have the same somewhat design as the current iPhone 12 now. So that's going to be interesting to see. So stick around for that, and also have some camera tests coming out from these devices. If you guys have enjoyed, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video.